Hi everyone, welcome to Lavanya Chemistry classes. Today topic is classification of hydrocarbons. Classification of hydrocarbons. It is taken from hydrocarbons grade 12. For introducing hydrocarbons, the organic compounds composed of only carbon and hydrogen, so these are called hydrocarbons. All other families of organic compounds can be thought as derived from hydrocarbons by replacing one or more hydrogen atoms by suitable functional groups. The hydrocarbons are obtained mainly from petroleum, natural gases, or coal. The important fuels such as petrol, coal gas, and oil gas, kerosene, compressed natural gas like CNG, liquefied natural gas LNG, and liquefied petroleum gas LPG are all hydrocarbons or their mixtures. The hydrocarbons are very important source of energy. The classification of hydrocarbons are two types. The first one is open chain compounds and second one is cyclic compounds. In open chain compounds, they are divided into two types. Two types of hydrocarbons. That is, first one is saturated hydrocarbon and second one is unsaturated hydrocarbons. These are open chain compounds and open chain hydrocarbons. In saturated hydrocarbon, that is alkane. The alkane general formula is CnH2n plus 2. In case we are taking n equal to 1, so the methane CH4 and n equal to 2, C2H2 2 of 2 plus 2. That means C2H6. It is alkane. So these are single bonded atoms. And next one, unsaturated hydrocarbon. It is the type of open chain compounds. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are divided into two types, alkene and alkane. The general formula of alkene is CnH2n. CnH2n. That is, we are taking 2, n equal to 2, so C2H4. C2H4, ethene and butene, propene. These are alkenes. And next one is alkane. In this alkynes, it is an unsaturated hydrocarbon and open chain compounds. The general formula is CnH2n minus 2. CnH2n minus 2. For example, we are taking n value is 2, C2H2 or the ethane is alkane. These are open chain compounds. What are open chain compounds? It is the type of hydrocarbons. The open chain compounds are saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons means alkane and the single bonded carbon atoms. And unsaturated means multiple bonded, that is double bond or triple bond. And next one, in hydrocarbons, they are divided into cyclic compounds. In cyclic compounds, they are divided into two types, aromatic compounds and alicyclic compounds. In aromatic compounds, benzene, toluene and etc. These are examples for aromatic compounds. And next one, alicyclic compounds, cyclobutane. It is a cyclopropane, cyclopentane. These are alicyclic compounds. In these aromatic compounds, divided into benzenoids and non-benzenoids. These are classification of hydrocarbons. Please subscribe and share and watch regularly. Please support my channel, subscribe, like and share.